All right, guys. So this is Nitin Jeet. He's the lead rider on this KTM ride. This is supposed to be a 5 kilometer rough stretch, right? So Nitin's gonna ride ahead. I'm gonna try and ride right behind him. We're not gonna go quite flat out, but we will not be slow. Correct? Okay, Nitin. Let's go. Go, go, go. Now, Nitin is a very fit guy. He's a CrossFit level 1 trainer as well. So, and he's a rally racer. He rides motorcycles for a living. So, Nitin can, stand on the bike and ride all day long. I get tired in a minute or two when I'm riding, like, at this pace. So, I'm going to sit. I'm very comfortable sitting. He's going to stand, most likely. He doesn't like sitting. He can't sit on a bike and ride like this. It's very unnerving for him. Whoa, that's a goat. That's just a goat, right? Hey, 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 easy, easy. Hey, easy. Nitin, wait for me, man. Too much dust. So, we are headed from Killar to Udaipur. Forgot to give you guys some details. Uh, this was a 5-day ride if you include Delhi to Delhi. Otherwise, it starts from Chennai and it terminates in Manali. Uh, so yeah, so me being from Delhi, few friends and I, we rode from Delhi. So it's day 1 Chandigarh, actually Mohali, day 2 Killar, we crossed the Sach Pass, and now from Killar we are headed to Manali. So we're about 15 riders, all on KTM, this being a KTM ride. So we just decided, like, yes, we are riding in a group, but at least for this section, let's just let him do his thing, and I'll try to, have a little bit of fun with him. Now he's on the Adventure S with Rise Trail R tires. I'm on the Adventure R with the Mythos Enduro Trail Plus tires. Pretty much stock bike, and I also have Kriega OS12 bags on mine, so a little bit of luggage, not much. Yeah, baby. Now I run low tire pressures for rides like these. I'm on 20 psi front and rear. He's on a higher psi. Gotta be careful, you know, this is not a rally stage at the end of the day. This route hasn't been cut off, there's still traffic coming from the other side. Lots of dust in the eyes. थोड़ी आगे ले, थोड़ी आगे ले, थोड़ी आगे ले. एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड. Let me keep. Oh. थोड़ी आगे दबा, जहां से वो है उसके पास एक्सटेंशन है. क्या कर रहा है ब्रो? Why is this guy getting in between? Okay, I will go from here. We've slowed down considerably, fearing traffic from the other side of the road. Oncoming traffic, if you will. हेलो भैया. Man, so many cars. So we were belting the bike so far, but my mic was off, so uh, I can't give you my perspective on how we were riding without audio, because the camera would have captured shit audio, all the clatter from the bike, instead of um, just the engine noise and me talking. Yeah, slightly disappointed, but um, what do I say? Wow, that's where we came from yesterday, such pass. My god, visor down till we cross this Scorpio. Local guy, that's why he's going fast. Oh no, tarmac. Now we'll ride easy. Okay. Do we wait or do we go? Wait करना है या चलना है? But good ride, bro. You slowed down significantly because of traffic and everything. No, then it wasn't worth pushing. But good ride. You're a good rider. All right, we're gonna stop this video now.